Hey, what's up guys? Just a quick tutorial. I just wanted to show you how you can get Facebook followers for your page for free. Hopefully you have a Facebook page already for your business. This is just my personal one out here. I'm kind of throwing it out there just for this tutorial. But what you want to do is get Made a Business Suite. You can have it on your Windows, or you can download it on Android or iOS. Hopefully you have this already. What we're going to do is open it up and go to Explore button on the top left, and see what you're going to do is create posts, memes, whatever, and post them in these groups, community groups related to your industry, and people will react to it, laugh on it. And what you need to do is, when they have post reactions, like right now I only have 5, sometimes I have like 100, 200, you just send them invites. Click that send invite button. As you can see, these are people who reacted to my Facebook post in the last 6 months. So I just click on all of those guys, and it's a low number right now because I look at it often. And they may follow you, they may not, but for free, as you can see, with the ability to do that, I have way more Facebook followers than I do have Instagram followers. If this has helped you out, please like and subscribe.